chicken dinner. How about that? That is what I call a hat trick. I've walked about 2.5 miles in almost 2.5 hours, and this is mole number 3. This neighbor is going to be so happy. We were just up there talking about it. He knew he had one back here by this tree, and here we go. We got him. You know, it's crazy if you can see this from the camera, but they say that a mole has 2 thumbs, so they have 5 fingers or 4 fingers and 2 thumbs. You can see this extra appendage that sticks out on each side right there. That is their extra digging utensil that God gave them. All right, number 3, hat trick. God bless y'all from the MOLiminator. There is the worm that he was after. Isn't that incredible? Man, that's a big dude too. Saving worms 1 mole at a time.